budget, hindi nyo na binubusisi. Bakit ganon? How can we correct that? In other words, who is going to scrutinize the scrutinizer?
Tao po, I would suppose taong
But
bayan.
how can the taong bayan do that? They don't have access. Now, sinasabi nyo ngayon paano, saan pumapasok dito ang taong bayan para malaman, para magalit sila o magsabi sila, oy, sobra na yan. Paano nila malalaman lahat ito?
As I said a while ago, meron po kaming utos from the Saligang Batas na i-publish every year yung itemized expenses and payments made to members of Congress. And we do that.
Sa mga
dyaryo po. Dailies, the major dailies, Inquirer, Business World yata, and Star. Pero parang wala namang pumapansin. The major dailies, Inquirer, Business World yata, and Star. Pero parang wala namang pumapansin.
But let me also point out one thing. One thing I also noticed from some of your posts. You also mentioned, or you also pointed out, that even Congress has its own, well, not exactly confidential funds, but has its own funds that do not undergo as much scrutiny as confidential intelligence funds. I'm talking, of course, about yung basically certified, just the certification of MOOE expenses that's been going on for how many years? 30 years already. I think you also should get credit for pointing that out, because that's something that's been swept under the rug for so long. I think you also should get credit for pointing that out, because that's something that's been swept under the rug for so long. I think you also should get credit for pointing that out, because that's something that's been swept under the rug for so long.
I think let's also give credit before kay Solita Monsod, no. What she wrote before, I think this was way back in 2011. I quoted her na the MOOE is actually in practice like confidential fund because of liquidation by certification.
Okay. But how do we resolve this problem? It's been there for 3 decades pala. Do you expect Congress to resolve this issue? And how? Okay, for those who have not, for those who are not so familiar, it turns out that the COA does not require anything more than a certification from legislators that they have spent properly their MOOE. And that was reinforced by a 2011 joint resolution, concurrent resolution by both chambers of Congress.
Yeah, I think mas matagal na naman kayong dalawang komentarista sa akin dalawa, and I think I don't know if you're optimistic or pessimistic compared to me, but
pero dapat ay pag-usapan din ang ibang pondo ng taong bayan na walang liquidation with resibo. Uulitin po natin, kailangan pong pag-usapan ang pera ng taong bayan na napupunta sa kahadiyero o bulsa ng bawat isang senador o kongresista, dahil hindi po natin alam kung paano nila ito ginagastos, dahil wala po silang individual COA audit, wala po silang liquidation with resibo. Ang meron po sila ay liquidation by certification. Ang ibig sabihin po niyan ay ibibigay ang pera kay congressman or kay senator, at ang gagawin lamang nila ay certification na ito ay ginastos sa kanilang MOOE. Para sa kaalaman nyo pong lahat kung gaano po kalaki ang pera na ito na walang liquidation with resibo, sa 2023 budget lamang po ng Senado, meron po silang about 3 billion MOOE. Yan po ay liquidation by certification at hindi liquidation by resibo. Ang Kongreso naman po, ang mababang kapulungan, for 2023 ay merong 13 billion MOOE for 2023. Again, yung 13 billion na yan, mga taxpayers, mga OFWs, ang 13 billion po na yan ay walang liquidation with resibo. Yan po ay liquidation by certification. So, ibig sabihin po, mga kababayan, sa 2023 lang, 18 billion ang walang liquidation with resibo. Hindi nyo po alam kung paano ginagastos yan up to the last centavo. 18 billion, 2023 lang. Okay? 2023 lang po yan. At hindi lamang po yan ngayong taon ito, kundi na for the longest time po, yaan ang ginagawa. Yan po ang ginagawa ng Kongreso at Senado. Hindi lang po sa 2023, 2022 rin, 2021, sa lahat ng panahon. Liquidation by certification. Kaya wala kayong makikita, again, ulitin ko, wala kayong makikita na individual audit. Walang COA audit report ang kahit sino mang senador o congressman. Wala kayong mahanap. Bakit wala tayong mahanap na publicized individual COA audit report ng bawat senador at congressman? Hindi naman yan confidential fund, di ba? Tama. Ngayon, kung wala kang individual COA audit, paano mong mapapatunayan wala kang kupit? Kung walang resibo, paano mo mapapatunayan na hindi na ilagay sa kakadiyero?
So, pinasisinungalingan niyo po yung naging post na ito na ganito yung proseso dyan po sa Kongreso ni Saspo, Congressman?
Actually, basta baka ma-misquote na naman ako. Basta yung sa amin, kung ano ang require ng Commission on Audit, ano yung mga reports na kailangan, anong liquidation kailangan, kung ano ang requirement for audit procedures, we comply by it. Ino-comply po ng House of Representatives.
To the current controversy, kung magmula sa 1998, ito palang mga pondong ito is subject to liquidation by certification.
At ngayon, kailangan nating maipaliwanag at it is in the interest of the people.
Lahat po ng budget ng lahat ng ahensya, binubusisi talaga.
Ng Kongreso.
Oo.
Pero yung kanilang budget,
Oo.
hindi nila binubusisi. Bakit ganon?
At ngayon, kailangan nating maipaliwanag at it is in the interest of the people.
To the current controversy, kung magmula sa 1998, ito palang mga pondong ito is subject to liquidation by certification.
Po. So kaya po nililinaw natin ito. Dahil gusto ko nga po na bawat peso na nilalagay natin sa pondo ng gobyerno ay sigurado na nagagamit ng tama at hindi nasasayang.
Lahat po ng budget ng lahat ng ahensya, binubusisi
Ng
talaga.
Kongreso.
Oo.
Pero yung kanilang budget,
Oo.
hindi nila binubusisi. Bakit ganon?
I wish to share the case of Chavez versus Public Estates Authority. Kindly wrap up. This is the right of the people to information on matters of public concern. There is no argument ang pera ng gobyerno ay pera ng taong bayan. There is no argument ang pera ng gobyerno ay pera ng taong bayan. There is no argument ang pera ng gobyerno ay pera ng taong bayan. Unless the citizens have proper information, we cannot fulfill the constitutional mandate that public office is a public trust. I submit, Madam Chair.
To the current controversy, kung magmula sa 1998, ito palang mga pondong ito is subject to liquidation by certification.
Lahat po ng budget ng lahat ng ahensya, binubusisi talaga.
Ng Kongreso.
Oo.
Pero yung kanilang budget,
Oo.
hindi nila binubusisi. Bakit ganon?
There is no argument ang pera ng gobyerno ay pera ng taong bayan. There is no argument ang pera ng gobyerno ay pera ng taong bayan. There is no argument ang pera ng gobyerno ay pera ng taong bayan.
Lahat po ng budget ng lahat ng ahensya, binubusisi
ng
talaga.
Kongreso.
Oo.
Pero yung kanilang budget,
Oo.
hindi nila binubusisi. Bakit ganon? To the current controversy. Kung magmula sa 1998, ito pala mga pondong ito is subject to liquidation by certification. Bakit ganon?